So let us see what is the multi-threading. The multi-threading is to execute the multiple threads simultaneously at a time. So what is the thread? The thread is the smallest sub-process, or it is the smallest unit of processing. So the multi-threading and multiprocessing are used to achieve the multitasking. So now we will see the advantages of the multi-threading. The multi-threading, first advantage is that the multi-threading does not block the user, as we can execute the multiple tasks at a time. Then second advantage is that as we can perform the multiple tasks at a time, it saves our time. Then third advantage is that as if there it will not affect if there is a exception in a single thread. So these are all our advantages of the multi-threading. So what is the multitasking? The multitasking used to execute the multiple tasks at a time. So we use the multitasking to utilize the CPU. So the multitasking can be achieved by the two ways, that is the process based, and second one is the thread based. So what is the process based? The processes execute it set its it sets its address in the memory. It sets its address in the memory, or in other words, it keeps some reserved space in the memory. Then the process is very heavyweight. The process is very heavyweight. Then communication between one process to other process is very costly. Then fourth one is the process switching from one process to other process takes some time. So what is the thread based processing? The thread based processing, it uses the same address. It shares the same address in it. Then the thread process is very lightweight. And third one is that the thread lightweight, and to the communication cost of the thread based is low. So what is the thread? So thread is the smallest process in it, and it is the smallest unit of the processing, and it has the separate path for the execution in it. And if there is any exception in the single thread, it will not affect to the other threads in it. So this is all about the multi-threading in the Java. Thank you.